If you handle local SEO for multiple clients, you know the friction of keeping dozens of Google business profiles updated. It is an operational bottleneck where data conflicts and login sessions constantly expire. You find yourself rotating client Gmails, resetting user passwords, and triggering automated security alerts just to access necessary business data. We are going to build a standardized management framework. By the end of this video, you will have a workflow to bulk edit hundreds of listings all at once, while maintaining persistent, isolated access to every client account. To set this up, you need manager or owner access to your locations and a blank spreadsheet application ready to go. Moving from manual one-by-one updates to a structured system is the only way to manage more listings without compromising account security. First, log in to the Google Business Profile Manager. This interface allows you to see every listing currently tied to your primary Google account in a single list. A standard individual account is meant for small businesses, while an organization account provides a multi-tiered umbrella to manage unlimited endpoints. Individual accounts hit a soft limit of 100 profiles. For agency growth, you need the capacity of an organization account. To organize these listings, we use business groups. These are folders designed specifically to bundle 10 or more related locations for easier administration. You can move locations by selecting the checkboxes for a specific brand and using the Actions menu to transfer them into their dedicated group. Separating clients into distinct groups prevents data contamination, ensuring that a change made to one brand's hours doesn't accidentally overwrite another's. Once your groups are established, select all locations in a group and click Download Locations. This exports your live Google data into a raw spreadsheet format. In this sheet, you can apply updates rapidly. If a client changes their weekend hours across 30 stores, you simply update the first row and drag that data down to update every location instantly. Save your changes and return to the dashboard to click Import. The system reads your spreadsheet and updates the live listings on Google Search and Maps simultaneously. A critical factor for local SEO is NAP consistency. Your business name, address, and phone number must be identical across every row in your database. If you use ST in one row and street in another, Google's algorithms may see these as conflicting data points. These small formatting variations can reduce a brand's visibility in local search results. This master spreadsheet serves as your single source of truth. Every new listing must pull from this document to maintain a clean digital footprint. Bulk uploads work for listings you own. However, agencies must also manage profiles that remain inside separate, client-owned Google accounts. The baseline solution is creating individual Chrome browser profiles for every client. This keeps their login sessions separate, so you don't have to keep logging in and out. But running dozens of separate Chrome windows drains system resources and slows down your machine. Browser isolation tools like Sendwin create sandboxed sessions, keeping multiple client accounts active and isolated within a single window. Because these sessions are persistent, you can delegate specific accounts to team members to manage side by side without needing raw Google passwords. Each session has its own digital fingerprint. This makes your access look like a consistent, recognized device to Google, which minimizes security tripwires and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. An organized architecture needs a consistent workflow. To see results, you must engage with listings daily. Check the Reviews tab first. Respond to every customer within 24 to 48 hours. Next, manage your content cadence. Post location-specific updates weekly and upload new photos monthly to signal active management. When you combine a structured multi-account system with consistent local activity, you gain the ability to manage high-volume clients without losing search performance. We started with disjointed tabs and manual logins. Now, your accounts are organized into a standardized, predictable workflow. You can now push updates to 50 locations via one spreadsheet, while maintaining secure, persistent access to your separate client accounts. If you are managing multiple clients and need browser isolation to scale your workflow, use the link below to access Sendwin's tools. Your next step is to open your spreadsheet software, export your location data, and audit your master NAP database for consistency. Technical infrastructure provides the stability needed to handle higher client volume without risking account security. Nailing this setup is the first step toward managing local SEO at scale.